Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Philips Sonicare toothbrush not charging, base contact and battery solution. Fix 1 is check the charger base. Plug the charger into a different wall outlet, then make sure the charger base is placed on a flat surface. Then place the toothbrush handle straight on the charger, then check if the charging light turns on. Second one is clean the charging contact. Unplug the charger, wipe the metal contact on the charger with a soft dry cloth, then clean the bottom of the toothbrush handle. Remove any toothpaste, dirt or moisture. Then put the toothbrush back on the charger and if it charge. Third one is charge for a longer time. Leave the toothbrush on the charger for at least 24 hours if the battery is fully drained. Do not remove the handle during this time. Check if the charging light comes on after several hours. Fourth one is reset the toothbrush. Place the toothbrush on the charger, then press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button and wait a few seconds. Check if the toothbrush starts charging normally. Thanks for watching.